Public infrastructure governance systems need to have key pillars to be successful. They have to be able to have a strong strategic planning system. They have to be able to allocate resources to projects in an efficient manner, and they also need to be ready to implement and monitor this project during the implementation process. In all these pillars, it is also important that infrastructure governance frameworks remain flexible to look at fiscal risks that arise during public infrastructure projects. The IMF have developed these infrastructure governance analytical tools to actually assist countries to understand the strengths and weaknesses in their public investment management systems, and also to understand and assess and monitor the fiscal risks that arise from these public infrastructure portfolios.